Hello everyone. Yes students, we are discussing about the various types of sets. The first one is finite set. Right? Finite set means the set which has limited number of elements. Like in set A it is 1, 2, 3, 4. And same way if B is equal to set of even numbers less than 10 means हमने less than 10 बताना है, then it is also a finite set. Infinite means unlimited elements. Okay. So E is set of even numbers. So even numbers are unlimited. Now comes null set. Null means empty set which has no element. So it is denoted by the symbol phi. P is equal to set of prime numbers less than 2. So less than 2 there is no prime number. So it is a null set. Now next comes joint sets. When two sets have at least one common element, जब दोनों sets में कोई भी एक element common है, then the set is joint set. Next comes disjoint set. When two sets doesn't have any common element, then it is disjoint set. Then comes equal sets. So if the elements in both the sets are same, it means the sets are equal. Then comes equivalent sets. Equivalent set means number of elements are equal but not same. Right? So means cardinal numbers are same. If in one set there are 4 elements and in other set also there are 4 elements, so it means the sets are equivalent but not equal. Now next, the most important, that is subset. Subset means if a set if two sets are there and the elements of one set are absolutely included in other set. For example, in this one, A is set of B means elements of all the set A are in set B. Okay, so same is in the example 2, 4, 6, 8 or 2, 4, 6, 8 set of natural numbers. So natural numbers contains 1, 2, 3, 4 all the numbers. So this is set of B. This is subset of B. To write all the subsets, how we can write? Then the subsets of A, empty set is always the subset of a set. So this is empty set 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. So in total we have 8 subsets. Now proper subset. Proper subset means all the subsets other than the subset itself. Right? So if we not include the subset itself, then it is a proper subset. Now in the, for example, in the previous one, this one, if we not include this one, then all other these sets are proper subsets. I hope it's clear. Now next comes superset. Superset, suppose if P is subset of B, it means B is the superset of P. Universal set. It is said to be the father of all the sets. Means if we have multiple number of sets and all the sets are included in the universal set, then U is the symbol. We can represent universal set with the symbol U or Xi. Right? So in universal set, all the sets under discussion are included. For example, if universal set has all the natural numbers, all the sets which includes these numbers are its sets under discussion. Now formula to find the number of subsets in set: 2 raised to the power n, where n means number of elements in the set. To find proper subset, proper means the set doesn't include the subset itself. So definitely we will subtract 1. So it will be number, like for example 2 raised to the power n minus 1. So in this set it will be 2 raised to the power n, 3, it is 8 and 8 minus 1 is 7. So I hope it's clear to you.